In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock out members from the app. Whether you need to remove access for a single member or lock out everyone at once, Underground Prepper gives you full control as the account administrator. This process is the same whether you're on desktop or mobile. The steps are identical across all platforms. There are two ways to lock out members. Let's start with locking out an individual member. Navigate to Settings and click the Members tab. You can see each member listed with their current permission level: Administrator, Read Only, or Locked Out. To change a member's access, click the pencil icon next to their name. In the Edit Members panel, scroll down to the Permissions section. Click Locked Out to revoke that member's access, then click Update to save. You'll also notice a Clear PIN button at the bottom of this panel. Use this if you need to reset a member's PIN. They'll be prompted to create a new one the next time they log in. The change will take effect on the member's device the next time they pull in an update from the server or restore from a .prep file. If you need to lock out all members at once, click the Account tab in Settings and select Lock Out Members from the left menu. This page lets you lock out every member in one action. Click Lock Out Everyone. You'll be asked to confirm. The page reminds you that all members will be fully locked out and that the change takes effect when each member's local database is updated via server pull or .prep file restore. Click Lock Out Everyone to confirm. You'll see a confirmation that everyone has been locked out. From here, you can click Members Management to go directly to the members page and restore access for specific members as needed. To restore a member's access, simply edit their profile and switch their permissions back to Can Login. Then click Update. They'll regain access on their device the next time they sync.